Frying peanuts with oil first is a big mistake. Want crispy, fragrant peanuts? Be sure to remember this step. Hello, nice to see you again on the Clever Tricks channel. Many people still think that just pouring oil and dropping peanuts into fry is enough. But in fact, doing that is wrong. Today, I will reveal to you a simple but extremely effective secret to frying crispy, fragrant peanuts, completely different from the usual way. Peanuts are a familiar dish, loved all over the world, can be enjoyed with a glass of wine or used in daily meals. However, many people who fry peanuts at home are disappointed because the peanuts are not fragrant, not crispy, and do not stick to wine as expected. Because I wanted to find the right way to make delicious peanuts, I took the trouble to learn from an experienced owner. After gathering valuable tips and learning practical lessons, today I will share with you the whole process. Simple, easy to do, but surprisingly effective. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. We have prepared a quantity of peanuts. The most important thing is to remove the damaged or punctured peanuts. Don't think that this is not important. These bad beans can affect your next batch of peanuts. So this step is a must if you want crispy and flavorful peanuts. Next, we need to add a little salt. Then add a little flour, wheat flour or tapioca starch. Then add a little water to soak the peanuts. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Then start gently squeezing and rubbing the peanuts to clean them. Many people think that peeled peanuts are clean. If you eat and peel peanuts at home, it's okay, but in fact, there's no way to ensure that the peanuts are not dirty, especially the kind sold in the market. Most peanuts are peeled by machine and will have many impurities falling to the bottom of the machine, so the peanuts are very dirty. Therefore, cleaning this way is the best way to prepare the peanuts before frying. Rubbing with flour will help remove dirt on the surface of the peanuts. Salt not only cleans, but also helps disinfect the peanuts before frying, while also making the peanuts crispier and more fragrant. Where are you from? Leave a comment to let me know. Now, we change the water and rinse it twice until the water is clear and no longer cloudy. Note, just wash gently. Do not rub hard or the thin outer layer will peel off, reducing the flavor. Then drain. Next, spread the beans on a rack to dry the remaining water on the surface. If you are in a hurry, you can use kitchen paper towels to dry. Don't think this is a hassle. Washing the peanuts not only ensures hygiene, but also helps increase the flavor after frying. After cleaning, the peanuts will absorb water, and that helps the peanuts become crispier when fried. Set the beans aside to dry. Next, prepare a few cloves of garlic, thinly sliced. I will explain their uses later. Put the sliced garlic on a plate and set aside. Turn on the stove and wait for the pan to heat up. Now we start frying the peanuts. No need to add oil, dry roast the peanuts first. The purpose is to remove the moisture inside the seeds. When almost done, the peanuts will be crispy and not stick together. Reduce the heat. Use chopsticks or a spoon to stir continuously to evenly heat. Then add a little cooking oil and it is enough. When you feel the moisture in the peanuts has evaporated, add The most popular way to fry today is deep frying, but it has two disadvantages. One is that the moisture is easy to return. Two is that it requires a lot of oil, causing unnecessary waste. Just use a small amount of oil to fry crispy, fragrant, and not greasy. When frying, garlic is very easy to burn if not controlled well. Sliced garlic is an ingredient with a characteristic spicy taste that enhances the flavor of the dish. When combined with peanuts, which are already crunchy and have a slightly sweet taste, garlic will enhance the sweetness and create depth of flavor for the dish. This combination creates an unprecedented, unique flavor, bringing a special culinary experience. Moreover, through the color of garlic, we can also recognize the ripeness of peanuts. Fry over low heat until the peanuts start to crackle. When the crackling gradually stops and the garlic turns brown, the peanuts are cooked. Immediately turn off the heat. Then pour in a little white wine and stir quickly to evaporate the wine. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. When the wine evaporates, the moisture in the beans will also evaporate, making the beans crispier. When the pot cools, use chopsticks to pick up the garlic. Of course, if you like garlic, you can keep it. Now put the beans on a plate. Wait for it to cool down. Sprinkle a little salt or sugar and mix well. By doing this, the beans will have a beautiful shiny color, crispy and not moist, not to mention the extremely attractive aroma. Do you understand how to do it? Instead of pouring oil into the pan and frying directly, with just a few small steps you can fry anytime. Very easy to do. If you are a fan of fried peanuts, try this method right away. Very practical and delicious. The video ends here. If you have any comments, please leave a comment below. If you find the video interesting, please like it for me. Don't forget to share it with your relatives and friends. And remember to subscribe to the channel to support me. Thank you for watching. Goodbye and see you in the next video.